part of your equipment that you get at home is the spinal hygiene bag that includes all the equipment you need to start doing your rehab at home. So you're going to get your traction that we had talked about, your cervical traction. You're going to get your wobble cushion that's already inflated here for you. And so you have access to this at home. And so we're going to go ahead and show you when you unwrap this, you can place it on a chair at home that's stable. We also provide with this some rolls, some foam rolls, and we'll give you instructions on how to use those. And lastly here, you also have a book that's included. So if you do in case forget what to do, you can either look at your book here. You also actually have a QR code that has video instructions on how to utilize your equipment in case you forget, plus other range of motion stretches that you can use as well. So we're going to go ahead and just remind you that when you use this at home, you can actually multitask, and you can put this at your kitchen chair or whatever chair you utilize. And when you take out your traction, you want to make sure that if for any reason there's any problems with your equipment or anything, you can give us a call and let us know. But when you take out your equipment, you want to make sure that you are able to do it for your size. Sometimes we need to give different sizes, but this is the one we choose to give you to begin with. And again here, when we do this at home, you can use this traction while you're sitting on your wobble chair. Same thing, you're going to be doing the front and back exercises. You can go ahead and extend forward. While you extend forward, extend back with your head, and then come back in. Extend back and in. And again, you're going to do about 10 of these. So I like to do this early in the morning to get my spine warmed up. And then once I do that, I do the side to side. You grab it not by the handles, but like by the edges here. And then you can go sideways. And you're going to do again 10 of these. And then you can just do your rolls again and just do again 10 from each side. And then lastly, you can do the stretch from side to side rotation. And you're going to do 10 of these. So my routine specifically is doing this in the morning after I grab my cup of coffee and I sit down and I'm stretching this. Then your rolls, what I like to do is we're going to have you place these probably by your bed so you don't forget to do these at the end of the night. And I like to do it at the end of the night before I go to bed. I know that that's what I need to do because they're placed on my mattress. So these are intended to help mold your spinal curves. So I'm going to have you walk with me this way. Here you're going to put one up into your neck and one in your low back. So you're going to go ahead and put that at the area where your belly button meets the roll here. And so that's going to induce that lumbar curve. The neck, you want the back of your head to touch the back of the surface of your bed. So you want to put this or on the floor at the very base of your neck. And so here at the back of my head is touching the base of the surface of the bed here. And your goal here is to just relax. You could read a book, you can listen to a podcast, you can but you do not want to lay on these more than 5 minutes initially. They are pretty firm, but what it's doing, it's contouring your curves of your spine, just as seen on this picture right in there. So you see that below your neck and the low back. So because they are firm, some people who fall asleep on these can have a lot of pain because the ligaments inflame whenever they're getting molded. Kind of like if you were wearing braces, it's going to be difficult initially. So we want you to graduate to 5 minutes and then graduate to 10 minutes. If you want to continue to 15 and 20 minutes, that's going to be up to you. But preferably start with at least 10 minutes in the beginning. And other options, if you feel that these are too firm, you can go ahead and take a pool noodle and cut it to the width of about 12 inches and use those initially. They are a lot softer. We want you to use the firm ones, but eventually you can graduate to that. And if you don't have pool noodles, you can actually also roll up a towel, a hand towel, put some rubber bands on the ends and put one under your neck and your low back, and you can start with those. But start somewhere, and eventually we're going to get those curves back into your spine.